everybody did. Trying to get Hawaiian songs that were maybe more obscure, maybe lost or forgotten through time. And so we asked Uncle Moon, Uncle Moon, is there a song that you can maybe teach us or something that you can direct us to that we can do that we can kind of bring that one back? And he said, actually, I have a song for you guys for Christmas, and it's a song that I composed. He wrote this song, and it's called Hebakana Kapupubay. So that translates to mean a gift of the heart, which just so happens to be the title of our collaboration CD for this holiday season. And the gift of the heart, the story of the song, it reminds us that the most important gifts and the most meaningful gifts will be those that come from the heart. We're going to ask our gang to join us once again for this song that we are so honored to be able to record and perform, a song written